Hello there, very good evening. Hope you have had a lovely weekend, although we are ending Sunday on an increasingly windy and wet note for some of us. We see this cold front sink its way southwards into eventually northern and western parts of the country. It's going to be bringing quite a squally band of rain, severe gales around some coastal districts and some heavy pulses of rain in there for Caithness, Sutherland, the Highlands into Lewis and Harris over the forthcoming hours. It will eventually stall overnight as well. This region seeing quite continuous amounts of rainfall, and warning is in force throughout the night, so do take care. This band is also going to act as a boundary line between cooler and milder conditions. Those further towards the south will see their temperatures holding up in double-digit figures right throughout the night, but a cooler start to Monday morning in the north, with the Northern Isles dropping down to 5 or 7 degrees Celsius. The rain warning itself runs right throughout until midday on Tuesday, where we could see eventually a half a month's worth of rainfall developing across parts of the Highlands, even into the northern areas of Argyll and Bute over the next 36 hours or so. Local spots perhaps seeing 150 millimetres in places. That certainly could provide some disruption and travel issues in places, and that is why we have this yellow rain warning in force. We've got the additional problem of snow melt because of the mild conditions underneath all this rain and cloud. That will provide some further flooding impacts in there as well. As you head towards rush hour, it will again be the Highlands particularly that sees quite a lot of rainfall building its way up. The rain band will jiggle its way around a bit over the course of the day, perhaps just pushing into the likes of Orkney at times. Generally for Angus, Argyll and Bute further towards the south, you will eventually see a slightly drier afternoon, still with the odd shower though. Temperatures, again, particularly if you're on the southern side of that rain band, will be very mild for the time of year. 12 degrees Celsius as your top temperatures, just something ever so slightly cooler for Lerwick there at 8. As we head towards Tuesday, we are going to eventually see that cold front slip away, but we've got another area of low pressure moving its way in from the Atlantic, and this is going to provide further areas of rainfall as we do head towards Tuesday itself, turning quite more widely wet and again windy for the vast majority of us. Some of this rainfall will be heavy at times, again further flooding and disruption is possible in there as well. Brisk southerly winds will just take the edge off the feel of things a touch, with gales around coastal districts, particularly in the west, despite the mild feel in places 9-11 degrees Celsius as the top temperatures, but probably not feeling quite like that underneath the cloud and with all the rain around as well. This mild theme is set to continue for a few days further, but eventually we will start to see a shift in the wind direction to a northerly to allow some cooler and crisper conditions to arrive later on in the week. But stay up to date with the YouTube channel for all the latest information on that. We'll see you again here tomorrow. Bye bye.